What if I told you that the probiotic you've been taking every morning, the one you bought because the label said gut health, might be doing almost nothing for you? And what if the real reason your digestion feels off, your energy is low, and your belly won't shrink has nothing to do with how much you eat or how little you exercise? According to latest research, nearly everyone eating a modern Western diet has gut damage, and most don't even know it. But here's what no one tells you. You are not going to fix your gut by eating something. Not yogurt, not kefir, not a probiotic capsule. The fastest way to repair your gut after 50 is to stop feeding what's destroying it and activate your body's own built-in repair system. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Step by step. No expensive supplements, no complicated protocols. Just the truth about what's really happening inside your gut and the fastest way to fix it. Stick with me until the end, because the cheap supplement we reveal in step 3 is something every man, woman, and child needs. And almost nobody is taking it. Let's begin. The real problem: your upper fermenting gut. Here's something most doctors will never explain to you. Your gut is a tube, about 30 feet long, and the first 25 feet of it, from your mouth down, is supposed to be nearly sterile. That's right, sterile. No bacteria, no yeast, no fermentation. That upper section is designed for one job: digesting meat, fat, and absorbing nutrients. Clean. Efficient, quiet. But when you eat a diet high in carbohydrates and sugar, bread, cereal, fruit juice, oatmeal, bacteria and yeast move in. They colonize that upper gut. They start fermenting your food before your body even gets a chance to use it. It is called the upper fermenting gut, and it is the root cause of more chronic illness than most people realize. When those microbes ferment your food, they produce toxic byproducts: alcohol, ammonia, hydrogen sulfide. Your liver has to work overtime to detoxify all of it. That drains your energy. It creates brain fog. It drives inflammation throughout your entire body. And here's the part that will surprise you. If those microbes spill into your bloodstream, which they do through a leaky gut, your immune system attacks them. And wherever they land, inflammation follows. Muscles, joints, lungs, brain, skin, arthritis, asthma, fatigue, anxiety, bloating, weight that won't move. It all starts in the gut. So what's the solution? It's not a probiotic. It's not fiber. You have to starve the bacteria first. Step 1. Starve the fermenters. Bacteria and yeast can only run on one thing: sugar and carbohydrates. Your human cells? They can run beautifully on fat. In fact, that is the evolutionary fuel your body was designed for. So the fastest way to begin repairing your gut is to drop your carbohydrates as low as possible. For many people, the simplest starting point is a carnivore diet: meat, fish, and eggs. No guesswork. No complicated labels. Why does this work so well? Because it removes the 3 most common gut triggers all at once: gluten, dairy, and yeast. And it starves the microbes in your upper gut of the fuel they need to survive. Now, you don't have to be perfect. You don't have to be in ketosis every single day. But the goal is to get there most of the time. And you can test your ketone levels with a simple blood ketone monitor to know when you've arrived. When you're in ketosis, you can infer that your upper gut is no longer fermenting. The bacteria have nothing to eat. The inflammation begins to quiet down. And here's what people notice first: less bloating, less brain fog, steadier energy, and a belly that finally starts to shrink. Because that belly, that apple shape so many people over 50 carry, is not just fat. It's your immune system dumping fat where the inflammation is. Fix the gut, and the body starts letting go. Step 2. Kill the survivors. Starving the bacteria is the foundation. But some of those microbes go dormant. They hide. They wait for sugar to come back. So in parallel, you need to kill them. And this is where 2 incredibly cheap, incredibly powerful tools come in. Tool number 1, vitamin C. Vitamin C contact kills all microbes, every single one. And here's the thing: humans cannot make their own vitamin C. We lost that ability, which means we are all deficient. Linus Pauling, who won 2 Nobel Prizes, spent the last third of his life studying vitamin C. His conclusion? Humans need 5 grams per day for optimal health, That's roughly 1 rounded teaspoon of vitamin C powder. Cheap, simple, and it also protects against heart disease, dementia, and cellular degeneration. Tool number 2, iodine. Iodine also contact kills all microbes, at just 10 parts per million. A tiny amount has a profound effect on the upper gut. And here's what makes iodine special. It gets fully absorbed and excreted through the kidneys. That means it cleans the upper gut without touching the friendly microbiome in your lower gut. It doesn't kill the good guys. Dr. Myhill recommends Lugol's iodine, 15% solution, 2 to 3 drops in a glass of water, last thing at night on an empty stomach. One important note, take your vitamin C and iodine at least 2 hours apart. They cancel each other out if taken together. Now, while we're talking about what you put in your body, I want to mention something important. Most people trying to fix their gut are also trying to lose weight. And one of the most powerful things you can do alongside this protocol is get your meals right. That's why I want to tell you about the Smart Weight Loss Cookbook Bundle, 300 plus delicious recipes built around the 3 most effective weight loss diets, vegan, Mediterranean, and keto. These are quick, beginner-friendly meals made with ingredients from any supermarket. No complicated prep. No expensive superfoods. Just real food that supports your gut and your goals. The link is in the description. Check it out and keep watching. Because step 3 is the one most people have never heard of. Step 3. The sulfur secret. The third tool Dr. Myhill is currently exploring, and the one that may surprise you most, is MSM. Methylsulfonylmethane. Organic sulfur. We are all deficient in sulfur. And MSM does something remarkable. In the upper gut, where there is oxygen, it kills microbes. But in the lower gut, the microbiome, it acts as a prebiotic. It feeds the friendly bacteria. It works on both ends, killing the bad, feeding the good. And emerging evidence suggests MSM may also help pull heavy metals out of the body. Metals like aluminum, mercury, and lead that get lodged in your tissues and quietly drive inflammation for years. Dr. Myhill recommends starting with half a teaspoon daily for maintenance. For a focused repair window, up to 10 grams a day for 3 months. You can buy a kilogram of organic MSM for very little. It's one of the most affordable tools in this entire protocol. So let's bring this all together. If your gut is struggling after 50, if you're dealing with bloating, fatigue, brain fog, weight that won't move, or inflammation that seems to come from everywhere, here is your starting point. Step 1. Drop the carbohydrates. Starve the fermenters. Get into ketosis as often as you can. Step 2. Add 5 grams of vitamin C daily and 2 to 3 drops of Lugol's iodine at night. Separate them by at least 2 hours. Step 3. Add MSM, organic sulfur, to kill the bad and feed the good. This is not a crash diet. This is not a trendy supplement stack. This is your body's own biology, finally being given what it needs to repair itself. And if you want meals that make this way of eating easy, enjoyable, and sustainable, the Smart Weight Loss Cookbook Bundle has over 300 recipes across vegan, Mediterranean, and keto styles, all designed for real people with real lives. The link is right in the description below. Your gut is not broken beyond repair. It is waiting for the right signal. Give it that signal, starting today. If this video gave you something you didn't know before, please hit subscribe. We create science-based, senior-friendly wellness content every week for real people, not algorithms. Tell us below, which step are you going to start with? We'll see you in the next one. Stay strong.